This is a brand new 2013 Ram truck. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, and an air suspension system. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.